Restaurants know their websites are outdated. You can potentially land one client by fixing just one page. I built an AI demo that transforms a restaurant's regular menu page into an interactive experience. An AI voice agent walks the owner through what's possible, answers their questions, then a second AI bot comes in and closes them automatically. But here's the secret. Don't rebuild their entire website. Just rebuild one page, and that is the menu. Once they see the difference, they want the rest. So today, I'm gonna show you exactly how to set up this entire thing for restaurants with one free prompt. So I'm not gonna waste any of your time. I'm just gonna show you exactly how to do this for a restaurant. Okay, so come into Google, type in restaurants in wherever you want, and we're just gonna come in and we're gonna pick a restaurant's menus. So we'll come right on down and we'll just click these guys, okay? We'll click menu. Okay, that's through Google. We wanna go to their website to see it, okay? We're on their website. Bistro menu. Oh my God. So then what we're going to do is we're going to copy their exact menu just like this, which is like cool, but it could be way better. And then we come right into this vibe code. I'm going to show you what this is in a second because it's an amazing vibe code. I'm even going to show you how to get it for free here in a sec. But we're going to paste this in and we're just going to say, please redesign this menu page, but make clean and interactive. And then we're going to click enter, and it's going to first things first rebuild out this entire menu page. Boom. Look at this. Look at how much better this is. I mean, dude, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. I mean, we go from this, which is a picture of a menu on their Webby, like, bruh. By the way, I'm not picking on these guys. I'm just saying they can do better. Within seconds, using a vibe coder, we redesigned it like that. So guys, if you are trying to help restaurants, I mean, you can do this with any service-based business using these tools, but like, if this is you and you're out here reaching out to restaurants, please start doing this. This is the best lead magnet ever. So from here, you're like, yo, this is amazing. Now you just need to get in touch with these business owners. That's the next steps. You have it, okay? And obviously I'm gonna show you that because the GHO Wizard wants to show you everything, because I wouldn't be the GHO Wizard if I didn't go through all of it. So once you have built this out, we then simply want to just come in to Google and reach out to the businesses to give them this for free. That is the whole goal. So we go, hey, we reach out to them. You can call them, message them. There's a million different ways to reach out. Always follow compliance laws. And I have other videos on this too, by the way. I'm not trying to gatekeep. This video can only be so long. And I have whole videos on like, this is how you send a message. This is how you email. Like I already have that. So drop a comment down below and I got you taken care of. But we want to send them this menu page. Be like, yo guys, I have this to you. It's free. Just add this in. Whenever they come in, okay, they would have to go in, click the menu and be like, what, and read it. Or they can come here and it can be tied into like they click this and it goes through and it immediately reserves. Like there's all kinds of different stuff we can do with a vibe coder. But the point is it will go to an actual website as opposed to this, because this is going to be weird on mobile and a bunch of other stuff when they can legitimately just get this. It's much cleaner. It's much better. But you want to give it to the businesses, okay, for free. That's the whole point. Again, I'm not trying to pick on these people. This is for educational purposes only. I'm just showing you how this works. That way they see the before and after. Wow, that's amazing. And then from there, what we want to do is we want to give them all kinds of other stuff, especially stuff in this software called GoHighLevel. If you don't know what this is, don't worry. This is not some expensive course I'm about to sell you or outdated coaching, none of that. I'm going to show you everything I'm going to give you for free. And it's essentially an AI-powered software that does all this. It's this vibe coder we created. That's what it is. It has other amazing coders. We also can use like self-selling demos to put in. It's just everything you could possibly need. But with this software, we can essentially use it to rebuild anyone's menu, any restaurant's menu, give it to them, and then turn them into a paying client. And we can actually charge money for these AI services on GoHighLevel, which, by the way, if you are like, what is going on, drop a comment down below. I'll answer anything. I have every video possible on my channel. It's all free. I don't have any thick course to sell you. It's nothing like that. But it is absolutely legit. Actually, let me go into pricing real quick so you can see kind of like how this works. I always recommend for the website that you're giving, give it to them for free. It's the simplest way to do it. I just go, hey guys, I love you. Here, this is for free. I redid your menu, say it's to a restaurant, because again, I'm trying to show you guys the weak spots in restaurants. I do all niches on this YouTube channel. For those of you who want to go after restaurants, I'm trying to show you like, what's the weak spot? Because once you hit them on that, it's an easier sell. If you're just like, I can redesign your website, they're not interested. You have to go, hey, your menu sucks. Here you go. And you can look for yourself online. There's a lot of menus that are lacking. But from here, we show them that, and it's a perfect segue into, well, I can also help you with AI agents that do email and text message support. And I have a ton of videos on this, guys. This is the perfect upsell. But that way you can collect $297 per month. And actually, what I have done is I've actually included, when you sign up with GoHighLevel, right down below, for 30 days free. Okay, again, you can try it for free. Don't worry. I'm not trying to sell you anything up spot. I have a bunch of these AI agents already created, so you don't have to build them, and then you can just give them to restaurants. That's the smoothest way to do this. That way, you're not like, well, what do I do? First off, you just vibe code their website, get the menu to them, reach out to them, and then we can use AI agents and give it to them for free and potentially collect up to $300 per month recurring for that. And again, all of this, all these AI agents, you can build them very easily. I have tutorials on here, but I've also built a bunch for you, and they're all in the free community that you get access to when you use HighLevel, which is this free community here. As you see here, a lot of people are getting clients. It's amazing. And again, that's not a guarantee to you, but we have all the trainings you could possibly want. And under snapshots, this is where we have a lot of these AI agents, like AI chatbots that do email, text. And guys, these are great for restaurants. Like, amazing. They need this. AI is hot right now. But again, we give away all of this for free when you use HighLevel under me. But most importantly, if you're a beginner or you're advanced and you're lost, you can come in here, and on every Monday, you can legit just talk to me, or every day of the week, talk to another one of my coaches. And again, free. There's no upsell. This isn't like, hey, now you got to pay me 10K. No, it's all free when you use HighLevel under me. How awesome is that? There's no one else offering this kind of stuff here. And we'll show you how to properly sell the websites even more in depth. I mean, I really give away everything for free. There's no gatekeeping. If you're watching this right now and you're like, dude, I'm just not sold on this, I'm going to put it this way. You can go down below and try this all out for free for 30 days. And if you don't like it, I'm telling you right now, you can cancel. Try to find someone else on YouTube that's going to say that to you. They're not. Everything is, and then you have to get this, and then you have to get that, then you have to pay for this. No. If you hate this and you think I'm an idiot after 30 days, you can leave. No hard feelings. Your decision. I want you to be the one making it. And that's why I did this, because I believe that I can truly help you. And with all these AI features, especially on HighLevel, and selling to stuff like local businesses and especially restaurants, okay, you got to have the right tools. And HighLevel is the best tool. And if you click the link down below, you'll see I have a ton of testimonials. I'm actually, in a matter of fact, I'm just going to show you right now what people are saying. Again, this is not a promise it's going to happen to you, but I'm just going to show you what people are saying about this community.
I'm up to 7 now in 1 month.
Agency wise, we're hitting 30 plus a month, and
30,000 a month.
Yeah,
I landed 4 in my first month. Yeah, I just hit the ground running with your model. That was my first month.
Thanks to your help, Declan, and the partnership, I was able to sell 3 clients this month. One for $1,000 recurring, $1,500 recurring, and $2,500 recurring.
So I'm at about a solid 11, 12 clients right now.
I've made a lot of money. So probably well over $47,000.
It's amazing. Yeah. How much you at per month now? Close to.
So this month we're going to eclipse 50K.
Look at that. I mean, my God. And I have a ton more videos just like that, but this video would be hours long if I put them all in here. But my whole point is that we can absolutely help you. And really, I've set this up to be zero risk for you. Because I don't want, this is exactly what happened to me when I first got started. I wanted to sell businesses on AI services, not even AI, just marketing in general. And every single person I went to in every community, it was a frick load of money. It was, okay, now pay me this, now pay me that. And then if you want to get on a call with me and you want support, well, pay me 10 grand. It was ridiculous. But there's none of that, because you come in here, you see it's free. And again, you get access to all of this, all of the, the community, all of my trainings, all of this stuff for free. And you get to message me whenever you want in this right-hand corner. So again, I know you probably have seen some other videos and you're like, man, this guy just talks so much about the community. It's because there's nothing else like this anywhere. I mean, if you can find someone else online doing what I'm doing, bring them to me and I will give you a special present. I'm not even kidding you, but I know it's not going to happen, because no one is as dedicated as me, as thoroughly invested as me, and no one is willing to give away the amount of shit that I give away, because I believe in you. Okay, now it does take hard work. There's no such thing as a get rich quick, but you have the entire foundation to win. And I'm going to give you access to all of this stuff for free. And if you don't like it after 30 days, cancel. But again, our whole goal here is to go out to restaurants, okay, or local businesses, because I have other videos on this. But then it is redesigning their menu, getting it in their hands, then upselling them on other AI services. As simple as that, that's how it works. Serious. And then you can vibe code all kinds of other stuff. No joke. Like, this is the future. And if you don't believe me, well, watch my other videos, because AI is here to stay. You're not going to be able to avoid it. It is absolutely crazy. So if you're interested in learning more about selling websites and all this stuff, go right down below, especially to restaurants. Get into my free community. Try for 30 days. If you hate it, you can leave. But even if you're not going to do this, still do the things I teach. Go to restaurants, find their menus, and vibe code them again, which takes seconds. You can be a complete beginner. Look at this. This is all I typed. I mean, this is it. This is a conversation. You see it right here. No gatekeeping. That way you have something to sell. Again, regardless of whether you're in my community or not, I want you to win. And the way you're going to do that is by taking action. So go find a bunch of restaurants right now, find their menus, redesign them, reach out to them, and then upsell them on AI agents and other stuff so you can make potentially some good recurring money. So thanks so much for watching. What I'm going to do now is I'm just going to link a tutorial of GoHighLevel so you can see what this can do. That's going to pop up literally in like 5 seconds. It's not too long. Okay, it's a newer tutorial, but it's going to show you kind of how this works. And then from there, you can make an informed decision. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you join the community. Make sure you get in. And I look forward to seeing you crush it. Watch the video.